Welcome back, marine biologists. Today we'll continue learning about the ocean habitat. We have already explored the open ocean, so now let's take a closer look at what lurks on the shore. That's right, I said shore. Today we'll be exploring the fascinating world of tidal pools. Tidal pools are created by changes in the tide. The moon's gravity pulls our ocean water to create both high tide and low tide. The difference in between can be over 10 feet. During low tide, the water recedes, leaving water and creatures stuck in the tidal pools. Tidal pools are home to many unique plants and animals. You have to look very closely because most of them are hidden underneath the water, rocks, and seaweed. Can you spot anything in the seaweed? Marine biologists study the life in these tidal pools to learn more about the ocean. Now let's take a look at only a few of the amazing creatures that can be found in the tidal pools. Starfish, also called sea stars, can be found in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. If you turn a starfish over, you can see their tube feet that allow them to move across rocks and the ocean floor. They also use their tube feet to cling to the rocks. Snails are abundant in the tidal pools and on the rocks. Their shells come in many different sizes and colors. Barnacles may not look alive, but they are actually living creatures. They can attach themselves to rocks, buoys, and the bottom of boats. Sea urchins have a spiny shell that protects them from predators. They must be handled very carefully. Just like starfish, they attach themselves to rocks. They move very slowly along the ocean floor using their tube feet. Sea urchins feed mostly on algae. Crabs like to hide under the rocks and seaweed. There are many different types of crabs. The ones pictured in these photos are the green crab. They can be found in the Atlantic Ocean. As you can see, they can be found in many different sizes and colors. The smallest one we found while tidal pooling was just the size of our fingertips. Even though the tidal pool creatures are fascinating, we must remember to leave them in their homes for others to enjoy the beauty of the ocean.